So let's begin the unboxing of my very first package. This is also the one that I was eagerly waiting for. I wanted to buy these Himi gouache paints from 2 years now, but I could not. But anyways, I must say these are really good and worth the wait. I got these from Amazon for like 4,250 rupees, but right now these seem to be unavailable there. The box has a very unique design, just something like a lunch box. It also comes with a mixing palette inside. Trust me, opening these colors was very tedious and annoying for me. I won't be using these paints in this video, but in the next one, which will be up very soon. Or else this video would have become a bit too long. Now for the next package, we have Ohuhu markers. I got them for 1,300 rupees. Honestly, I have never used alcohol markers in my life, so I bought the smallest set of 24 colors to get started with. From learning the preparation of alcohols in my class 12th to actually owning some alcohol markers, the wait was finally over. I was saving for a long time now to buy all these art supplies, and I did not buy anything during the last 2 years because I thought that I might get distracted from my studies. So this set comes with 24 really lovely and bright pastel colors in addition to a colorless blender. And this black pouch comes with the markers itself. It also comes with a mini FAQs booklet and a mini swatch card. All the pens have their designated colors printed on both sides of the cap so that we can quickly identify the colors. Every pen comes with two sides. One has a brush nib and the other has a chisel nib. There are also other type of alcohol markers available in the market, where from one side we have a chisel tip and the other side has a fine liner. But I decided to buy the brush nib ones because I thought they would be more easier and nicer to paint with. So let's test all the colors on this mini swatch card. The names of these colors are pretty amazing, like potato brown, cloud blue, cherry pink, glass green, barium and whatnot. The sketchbook that I purchased is the same one that I got earlier. It's from the brand Menora. I got this for about 400 rupees. Earlier I had a black colored one, but this time I brought the horizontal one with red color. The pages are also quite good. These are of about 180 GSM. They hold watercolors, acrylics, all the mediums which I love to paint with very good, very properly. I also did a sketchbook tour video of the earlier sketchbook, so you can check that out. The link will be in the description box. Now for the brushes, I bought two different sets. One has 6 fine liner brushes and the other is a set of 25 different kinds of brushes. The quality of these fine liner brushes is very nice. I got them for about 300 rupees. We have sizes from 000 to 3, so they are very nice and very fine. This is the second set of brushes that I purchased. I got this one for 400 rupees. We get 25 brushes in this package. There are different varieties of brushes in here for oil painting, for acrylics, watercolors, gouache, etc. But the quality is okay-ish. It is not that great, but it is kind of bearable, so I did not return it. The last thing that I ordered is this acrylic mixing palette. I got this one for about 270 rupees, but I thought that it was transparent because the description of this product also says that it is acrylic transparent palette, but I did not get transparent one. But anyways, I still like it. Now here are some things which I bought from the local craft stores. For the first one, we have some fabric acrylic paints. We get one bottle of this paint for about 20 rupees, and I got 9 different colors of them. Then I got a simple craft scissor. I got this for about 70 rupees. And lastly, I purchased hot glue gun sticks. We get 3 sticks for about 20 rupees. And that's it for today. If you're listening to this, you have my heart. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.